I walk on water, yeah. Bitch, I been up in my bag, and I just been high for the
Ooh, what up guys, this is your boy Spood. I'm back again in another video. Yeah, today guys I'm doing a very short one, a short video on how to install a VST plugin. A very easy how to install a plugin. Yeah, let's say you want to install a plugin. Yeah, how to install a plugin. You just need the plugin. I just got the plugin, baseline plugin. No. Baseline. Ooh, this plugin called a text. It have a text document. What is this now? I don't need it. Okay, it have a text and a DLL EVM baseline vision 1 3D external. Ooh. Okay guys, today to teach about, let's get the video started. Okay, so what you will need, just look for image line here and do this. More open file location. Okay, what you are going to do on this, you are going to just look where where you install your plugins. Okay, where I install mine, there's a folder here where it is named plugins. Yeah, you can see it is written plugins. Okay, let's see what's inside. Plugins, there are VSTs and what. Okay, in VST and Fruity. Ooh, Fruity, so yummy. Okay, you just drop your DLL. As you can see, everything that is here have the DLL, everything here. Oh, then I don't know about these. I have to delete these. They are written DLL. Yeah, let's drop the baseline here. Okay, let's check. I didn't check the text on the baseline. Okay guys, let's start by checking the text on so big. Let's check this some other time. Okay, so you're going to drop your baseline here, copy it here, copy to VST, continue. Just going to take a risk and continue. You know what I'm saying? You just take a risk and continue. Okay, your flash. Then we remove everything here. Yeah. Okay guys, here's our FL Studio. We do what we always do. We refresh, guys. We do what? Refresh the plugin list. Let's go. Okay, is this, you can read it, but for me it's not important. Thank you. Sure. I don't think this one. Oh, nah, here it is. Baseline. Woo, voila. Let's get out of here, man. Get out of here, man. Okay, piano roll. Oh, in here, outside. Who? The biggest dog. Yo guys, if you want this plugin, I'll be dropping this plugin, but I don't know when. But then I'll drop it when we reach, let me check. Oh, now we are, you guys, I don't know when, but when we are subscribe to the channel, I'm dropping this plugin. I don't know when, but drop it. As I always drop, guys. I will drop it, guys. Drop the base EVM baseline. The master. Okay, guys. Please don't forget what we always do. You know, we like, we share, we comment. You know what I'm saying? We do what we always do. We do what we do. Let's do it, guys. Let's the screw channel, guys. The screw. Thank you. Peace out, guys. Voila.